everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily zoom in your image on your Xbox One so you can easily see things off in the distance in your games or maybe in the menus on your Xbox One. So I'm just playing Call of Duty Warzone in the DMZ right now. So what I want to do is hold down the Xbox button. So let's hold this down and then open up this screen. Now if I press this button, the magnifier will open up. So let's press it on my controller now. And you can see I am zooming in. Now what I can do is press the left trigger and I can zoom in or out. Then the right trigger will zoom in so you can see. So if I have like my weapon sights up and I want to see a little bit easier off in the distance, I easily could. On my Xbox One, this is super blurry, but we can also do this in the Xbox menus as well. So I'm zooming in. Now to exit this, all we have to do is hold down the Xbox button again, open up this window, then press the same button, and then it will be turned off. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.